Hey everybody, it's Brand from DoHonest Adventures. Today, we're going to be installing a rear backup camera on our new Adventurer 89RB, and I got it from Amazon. It is the DoHonest digital rear backup camera. It comes with a monitor, 7-inch monitor, and a camera, and all of the installation hardware. So we're going to go through the installation. It'll be a little bit of a snippet type of video today, so we'll get to it here in just a second, but I wanted to let you know also today's Friday, and as such, it's Red Friday. So when you get a chance, remember everyone deployed in our military, keeping us safe. Thanks. Alright guys, so the step one that I did was to take off the back marker light, and that's the marker light. And now I will let you know that I'm going to try to fit the bracket. There's the bracket for the camera. And the goal is to get, you can see where I had already removed the light, pulled the wiring through, and if you look, Adventurer uses a nice little plug, so I think I'll be able to reuse the plugs in order to wire the camera. So that's what I'm going to do next. So for that, I'm going to use some of my wiring here. I'm going to cut the ends off of this and that, and I'm going to splice them in here. So I'll be cutting this wire, exposing the wires, and then wiring the plugs from that light into the camera itself. And that will be the next step. Alright guys, we're back, and I've got the bracket pushed up against, and you can see there that there's one hole that'll be perfect and one hole that I'll have to put a screw into new, so I'll have to drill a pilot hole and mark it. So that's going to be what's next. So I've already done all of the wiring down there on the truck bed, and then we're back at right about at the point we're almost done as far as the wiring it to the camper itself goes. So I'll be back in a minute to finish. Okay, thanks. Alright guys, welcome back to DoHonest Adventures. So I'm pretty much done for now. I need to get some gray sealant so I can match the trailer or the camper, but that's pretty much it guys. I spared you some of the boring stuff of sealing. So I put sealing in the bracket, I put sealant in the hole, I put sealant in the holes for the screws, and then sealed all the way around. So there should be absolutely no water intrusion. However, I am going to, once I get some gray caulking, I am going to reseal everything with a slightly bigger bead of sealant in gray so that it matches the camper. So that's the install on the rear camera, and then probably tomorrow afternoon I will try to get the monitor set up and we'll go from there. Alright? We'll see you next time guys. We'll see you on the next one.